Hi friends, I am Krishna Mohan. Today we are going to learn about the tuple in Python. Okay, so tuple is like the list, but there are some difference between the list and the tuple. Okay, we already discussed about the list. Okay, so see, tuple is one of the class treated as a data type. Okay, tuple is a class. Okay, which is treated as a data type, like we have discussed in the list. Okay, list is also a class which is treated as a data type. Okay, then tuple allows us to organize the both homogeneous as well as the heterogeneous values, like in the list. Okay, we can have the all types of means it can have the multiple data types. Okay, means uh, suppose we can have integer, we can have float value, we can have string value. Okay, uh, okay, right. So okay, and the insertion order will be maintained. We will see what is the insertion order and all those things. Okay. Uh, okay, and it provides the dynamic size. Okay, size is not fixed because it takes all types of data. Okay, it takes string, it takes integer. Okay, it takes float. Okay, so and the size is not means fixed. Okay, size can vary. Okay, so and this is very important. Tuple belongs to immutable means we can't change the value. Okay, means if you want to insert any value, we can't insert it. Okay, we can't. If you want to remove any value, we can't remove it. Okay, because it is immutable. You can't change it values. Okay, you will see that. Okay, the main difference between the list and the tuple is that in list we can add the value, we can remove the value, means we can change the list, but in tuple we can't change the tuple, we can't add it, we can't remove it. Okay, or you can't change it. Okay, we'll see that. Okay, and okay, if you want to convert any means variable to tuple, you have to use the method called as tuple. Okay, tuple open brackets close brackets. Within that, we have to mention the variable. Okay, which we wanted to change. This will also will check to program. Okay, and how to define a tuple. See, in list we are using the square brackets. Okay, but in tuple we have to use the round brackets. Okay, and we have to use the separator comma. Okay, while mentioning the multiple values. Okay, so this is what is the tuple. Okay, this is very easy. Okay, we'll check through the program. I am using PyCharm for that. I am opening the PyCharm. Okay, this is the PyCharm. Okay, right. So first I will declare a tuple tup. I am giving some name is equal to. We have to use this is the tuple name. Okay, we have to use the round brackets. Okay, so in that I will be mentioning 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, these are the homogeneous values. Okay, we will check with the heterogeneous values also. Okay, so I wanted to print it. We have to use the inbuilt method or inbuilt function print tup. Okay, right, I'll running it. Okay, right, good. Tuple is been printed. Okay, well and good. And it takes the heterogeneous values. We will check some heterogeneous values also. Instead of we'll take 1 comma 2 comma 5.5. It is a float value, and I will be taking a string also. Some Mohan. Okay, these are the heterogeneous values. Okay, we'll try to print it. We'll run it. Okay, well and good. Okay. Uh, And the main important thing what we have mentioned is it is immutable. Means we can't change the value. Here, see before that a tuple maintains the insertion order. See what is the order? In the same order it is been taken, it is been printed. Okay, the order is been not been changed. Okay, so whatever order we will be mentioning, though in that order only, it will be taking the results or giving the results. Okay, so you might be thinking, is there any means other means class, okay, which do not follow the order? Okay, there is a class. Okay, we will be talking about that. Okay, later. Okay, but here tuple will be maintaining the same order. Okay, then okay, dynamic size it is okay, and it is immutable. We will check whether we can change the value or not. So if I wanted to change the first value, that is the 1, so what I have to do? TUP, and I have to mention the index. Okay, index is 0, and I wanted to change the value 1 to 10, so 10. Okay, I have changed the value TUP equal to 10. It is not showing any means syntax means related error. We'll try to print it. Okay, print TUP, run it. See here, what error is it showing? Tuple object does not support the item assignment. See here, means we can't change the value. Okay, here we are directly changing it, but is there any methods like insert, okay, like remove, okay, like append, okay, like we have used in list. Okay, so we'll check whether is there any methods there or not. Okay, because by using the assignment operator we are unable to change it. Okay, so tup dot will check it whether if there are any methods. So here we are having some of the methods. Count is there, index is there, and we can add it. Okay, this is, they are different, but either any such as the append. Okay, there are no such methods. Okay, if you want to get the item you can get the item, but or insert, mm, length is there. Okay, we can find the length. See here, no. Okay, length is there. Okay, return while. Okay, so we are not having any methods okay, related to insertion or appending. Okay, so we can't change it, but there are two methods. What are those methods? Count is there, index is there. What is this count? Count is means can check the number of occurrence of the element, okay, or the item. Means suppose here one is there, and if you have taken another one here, okay, there are two elements, so the count will tell the occurrences of one. Okay, if I wanted to check the one value, okay, or otherwise there is another value 2 is also there, also the other mohan is there. Okay, so if you want to check how many times mohan is present in the tuple tup, so we'll check it through count. Okay, so count, we have to first enter the value we wanted to check it. So I wanted to check mohan, how many what is the count of mohan in this tuple. Okay, and I wanted to print it. So what is the what do you call what is the means value it will be returning it, this method bring it in some variable, some uh, c or n. Okay, and first I will check what the value it is returning. Okay, so print I wanted to print the type, okay, type of n, typ. Already we have learned about this type. Okay, I wanted to check it, what value it is returning. Okay, that's why I'm entering it. Okay, okay, it is returning the value integer value it is returning. So it is returning a value which will be the object of the class int. Okay, so right, so here I wanted to print the n value. Okay, so what is the n value? N. How many times it is? I mean, what value it will be returning? It will be returning 2. No, how many times the Mohan has is there in a tuple? Okay, 2 times. Okay, in the same way, if I will be checking, suppose how many times the 2 is there occurrence. Okay, 1 time. Right, good. Okay, and we'll be checking the next method which is there in the tuple, which is the index. Okay, index you already know. Index, if you want to find out what is the index of that value, okay, you can find out. Okay, it will be also returning the integer value. Okay, so index, we'll check it. If I wanted to check the index of Mohan, okay, actually Mohan is 2 times. Okay, it will give the first occurrence. Okay, we'll check it and run it. See, the index is 3, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, it tells about the first occurrence. Okay, uh, is there any other thing? And here we will be checking the another method, which is the index tup dot uh, index. Okay, suppose it will tell the index of that particular value. Okay, suppose if I wanted to know the index of 5.5, okay, which is a value in the tuple, and this method will return the integer. Okay, means it will return only one value. Okay, see here. Or if I wanted to see here, what is it is returning? It is returning an integer value. Okay, so it belongs to the class tuple. Okay, and this is a method of the class tuple, and it returns integer value. So we'll be checking that. Okay, what is it is returning through the type method, or the type function, or the type class. Okay, so print, I wanted to check what it is returning, so type, and first what I will be doing is I will be storing the returned value. So index I, so type of I, what is the type of I? Okay, I will running it. I wanted to check what is the type. Okay, it is integer type. What is it is returning? So what is the value that I am getting it? What is the index of 5.5? 0, 1, 2. Okay, 2 is the index. Okay, okay, 2 you are getting. Suppose you might be getting a doubt. Okay, okay, if it is only one value, okay, it is okay. Then what about if there means if you are having the multiple values? Okay, of the same value. Okay, if Mohan is there, Mohan is 2 times you are having, one is there, one is 2 times. Okay, so if I am saying 1, See, it is returning only one value, one integer value. So the first occurrence of the value will be given. Okay, when it finds the value, then it will find the index and it will print the index. Okay, and it will not go to the other value. Sorry, one. Okay, what is the sorry, I'm reading the one. Sorry, I see what is the index 0. Okay, so it has not given the index of this one. So what we have to do to get the index of this one? So I mean, say, I don't want the index of the first one. I want the index of this one. So what I have to do is I have to give the starting and the ending point. So here I will be giving the starting point as 1. Means I wanted to check from this first index, not from the 0th index. Okay, and the ending value, let it be 6. Okay, now I will be, means it will be checking from this point to the end point. Okay, I will run it. So 4. So what is the index of this one? 4. So it is not checking the first one. It is counting from the first index, not from the 0th index. Okay. So this is what is about the tuple.